Welcome to Wolfnest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. Maintaining appliances in rental properties presents ongoing challenges for landlords, balancing the need for functionality and cost-effectiveness. Here are some key considerations to guide your appliance replacement strategies. Number 1. Assess the age and condition. Evaluate the age and overall condition of the appliance. Near the end of its lifespan, replacement might be more cost-effective than repairs. Number 2. Cost of repairs versus replacement. Compare repair costs to the price of a new appliance. If repairs exceed 50% of the appliance's value, it's often wiser to replace, especially for older appliances prone to further issues. Number 3. Energy efficiency. Consider the energy efficiency of appliances. Upgrading to newer, energy-efficient models not only saves on utility bills, but also attracts environmentally conscious tenants. Number 4. Tenant satisfaction and retention. Happy tenants are key to rental property success. Faulty appliances can lead to dissatisfaction and turnover. Proactive maintenance and upgrades enhance tenant experience and retention rates. Number 5. Professional inspection and maintenance. Regular inspections are crucial for identifying issues early. Partnering with a property management company like Wolfnest ensures expert maintenance, minimizing downtime and maximizing tenant satisfaction. In conclusion, informed decisions about appliance repair or replacement involve assessing age, condition, cost, energy efficiency, and tenant satisfaction. Prioritize proactive maintenance to optimize appliance performance and longevity in your Utah rental properties. And when you need comprehensive property management services, trust Wolfnest to keep your investments in top shape.